Hello guys, welcome to the channel once again. Today I'll be showing you how I created this beautiful soft clear makeup look, and if this is your first time coming to my channel, you're welcome to my channel. Kindly hit the like and the subscribe button, also hit the notification button for more videos like this. First of all, I start by wiping my face, then after that I didn't show prep. I didn't know I wasn't videoing, so I'm applying my foundation with my blending brush. Applying my foundation, you all know I usually do my eyebrows before my skin work. Here I'm applying my concealer in the corners of my eyes, and I'm just taking a small brush and blending them out. It's going to be a simple and an easy glam tutorial, so I'm not really doing much brightening. I use a shade that is 2 shades lighter than my skin color, and here I'm just blending it out. So the next step is to powder my concealer areas. All of the places I added my concealer, I'm just going to powder. Then the next thing is to powder around my face with my skin color shade, just going in powdering my face. Then the next step is lining my lips. I'm just going to line my lips. I'm not going to do too much to my lips. As I said, I want something simple, clean, and classy at the same time. So I decided to go with orange, and I knew orange was going to give me what I want as long as I blend it well. So taking it with a smaller brush, I blended out orange. Then I lined my lips again, and I powdered my face again. So here I'm going in with mascara. This is my favorite mascara. I've been using it for a year now, and it has been giving me what I want. Thank you for watching. Bye.